Dear data analyst, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to become a data analyst this year. Okay, I'm going to be showing you 3 things you need to do to become a data analyst this year. You don't need to do more than these 3 things. You just have to follow them step by step for you to actually become a data analyst this year. And don't forget, make sure you watch to the end of this video, because the last part is going to be the most crucial points you have to pick out. Okay, so the 3 things you need to do to become a data analyst here. The first one is you need to ask yourself, why do you want to become a data analyst this year? Okay, why do you want to become a data analyst? You also have to ask yourself, why do you want to venture into this particular skill? Is it because you are broke, you don't have money, and you are looking for a way to make money, or because you have passion for the skill and you want to learn something like you always keep you busy and it's also fun at the same time, or because your friends are doing it and you feel like, okay, let me just also be like my friends and also do it? Or is it because you just want to learn a tech skill because they said tech is actually the best skill you can learn in 2024 and 2025? Okay, so maybe that's why you want to learn these things. So you have to ask yourself, why do you want to learn it? Your why must not always be the same thing as other people's why. After you ask yourself why and you answer the questions by yourself, okay, you ask that question by yourself, and the next thing you have to do is to find a mentor. Okay, get a mentor, because a mentor is going to help you to achieve this your purpose. Okay, the mentor is going to help you to achieve everything you need to achieve to become a data analyst. The mentor is going to be putting you through what you need to learn, how you need to learn, and where you need to learn from, which is very, very important. Okay, so when you get a mentor, after that, then now have to focus on the skills you need to become a data analyst. Okay, and again, you don't need all the skills you see out there to become a data analyst. You need only few skills to become a data analyst. I'm going to be sharing the skills with you in this video now. So the first thing you have to learn is to master your statistics very well. Learn statistics and also mathematics. But I recommend that if you are already a graduate of any college, you should already know mathematics to a certain point, right? So that's actually enough for you. Then just have to go into statistics and learn statistics, like inferential statistics and discrete statistics as well. Learn them, learn how they work, learn how to interpret a chart, learn how to get insight from a particular chart. Okay, so after you learn statistics to a certain point, then just have to come back and learn Excel. Okay, you start with Excel because you are most likely familiar with Excel already, because I believe everybody should be familiar with Excel compared to Python, because some people are really new to Python. That might actually be a big thing, a big deal to them. So I would recommend you start with Excel. When you learn Excel to a certain point, then learn Power BI, because Power BI and Excel actually have some things in common. Okay, so when you learn Excel, after learning Excel, Power BI is going to be very easy for you to learn because they have many things in common. Okay, after Power BI, I recommend you learn SQL. When you learn SQL, then you can learn Python. You can also learn Tableau. It depends on your region. For Africans, I believe that Power BI is more common in Africa compared to European countries, American countries. Okay, so I would recommend learn Tableau or Power BI. Choose one. You don't have to learn both, or if you have the space for both, you can learn both. Then learn Python. After learning SQL, you learn Python. Then after learning these skills, okay, don't forget to start applying for jobs. And there's one more skill you need to learn that people don't really talk about. Okay, people don't really talk about these skills I need to learn. The skills are what we call the soft skills, because these soft skills are going to keep you in the job. They're going to differentiate you in the job. Trust me, not your technical skills are going to differentiate you in the job, but your soft skills. Your soft skills are going to help you to make friends. They're going to help you to know who you are working with, who you are dealing with. It will help you to know them, so you are able to meet their expectation. You don't need to meet people's expectation, but at least you know how to handle people very well, so that they won't think you're a bad person, because in a work setting, people will most likely think you're a bad person if you don't have a good behavior, what they think is a good behavior. Okay, so just have to learn a way to maneuver yourself around this kind of people, and then just have to learn these soft skills for you to do that. So you have to learn communication, you have to learn presentation, you have to learn critical thinking, because you have to think critical as a data analyst for you to be able to excel in this job. And you have to learn how to respect people, how to manage people. You have to learn how to manage people, how to tell stories. So don't forget to share and subscribe, okay, because I'm going to be releasing more videos like this for you to to help you to actually become a data analyst. And if you are not following me on social media, make sure you follow me on Twitter and you follow me on LinkedIn as well, and also subscribe to my newsletter because I will be sharing more insights in those channels. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Ciao.